Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris. Today you're joining me with this gorgeous style. This is Arden from the Amore Collection. And I can hear you out there saying, what on earth is that colour? That is amazing. Yes, it is amazing. This is melted caramel. It's a new colour for the Amore Collection. And how delicious does it sound? You know, melted caramel. Amazing. We've got this kind of lovely kind of caramelized sugar look, like almost like a chocolatey kind of warm brown. And that's going into these amazing lights. You know, we've got those kind of honey tones, those kind of creamy caramels, and those amazing tone-on-tone blondes that we all love. Another thing I love about Arden, I love this fringe right here. I like how full this can be, but it's got like a very nice soft tapered edge. And that can be worn across the face or fuller. I think I'm just going to sweep it across here. And look at these face framing layers here, ladies and gentlemen. Just look absolutely amazing. Let's take a little look throughout the back. That's where the length kind of finishes. You know, and just looks great. And like all the melted colours, you can see that band of kind of chocolate into this lovely kind of middle kind of nudie kind of blonde into really kind of much brighter, lighter pieces towards the end. So what did I want to show you with Ardens today? Well, I wanted to show you a very simple trick on how to get a high ponytail. Okay, now ponytails are great, and there's so many different ways of creating ponytails, you know, from the ponytails you see on the runway shows, which are super sleek, to, you know, your everyday ponytails when, you know, ladies are just going out the door, maybe running the kids to school. It's kind of the easiest, cleanest, tidiest way to do the hair. But, you know, there's lots of different ways to do a ponytail. And often I hear people in the wig world saying to me, Alexander, how can I get more lift on my ponytail? So I'm going to show you a very simple trick that's really easy to do. Now you can do this in a half up, half down, okay? Or you can do the full ponytail. So I'm going to do the full ponytail. Now, what's the difference when you're doing a ponytail with a wig? You just bear in mind that, you know, we may have to brush. See what I'm doing here now? I'm brushing it a few times, just making sure that everything sits nice and clean. You could use the René of Paris products with this, the styling products if you wish, to get a slightly cleaner look, would look really nice, but it's not necessary. I don't want it too much like glued or wet look. I still want it to look very much like hair, if you like. So, but if you wanted that over styled or more wet look, then by all means you could use the René of Paris products. So just coming in nicely. I have a hair tie in here in my hands, and just with my hands now, you see I'm grabbing these little bits of hair. Grab. And you see what I'm doing with my hands? Can you see how I'm moving the ponytail higher? Okay, now that is just me actually just getting the hair and just lifting it so I get this much higher effect towards the bottom and not too low. So you can do that at home very easily, just manipulating the hair with your fingers. Now here I'm just using a prong comb or a tail comb if you like, to get these extra little bits of hair in. What I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is I'm going to show you a normal ponytail to start with, and then how to get one with lift. So that would be a regular ponytail. So I'm going to show you a little ponytail with lift, the lift trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that hair down, just down a little bit. And if you can see with my fingers, I make a pocket like this. Okay, a pocket like this, and here we go, and straight the way through. So we turn that ponytail through the pocket that we just made. Bear with me. Bear with me. And then, guys, when we have it like this, we can pull that pony together. And you see how then we get a ponytail with lift. So this trick will work on all of your wigs with the right amount of length. Just going to go in, just look at Arden from the side, from the front. On that trick, we can then really manipulate the ponytail. Can you see? When I turn that to the side, we have a ponytail with loads of lift and texture. And it kind of looks like a little updo and all by itself, you know? Really simple, lovely wearable hair. And this will look differently on every different wig that you do. As Arden has layers, we're getting that kind of really kind of exaggerated look with the layers. But you know, with the longer styles which aren't so layered, you'll just get a lot more lift. So that is a lifted ponytail trick, and that is done on the new style called Arden, and this colour is melted caramel, and this is in the Amore collection. What do you think to the lifted ponytail? Something you'll try? Something maybe send us a picture of? Leave some comments below, we'll look forward to reading those later and getting your feedback. But for now, I'm Alexander, this is René of Paris, this has been Arden. Thank you for tuning in, see you next time, bye bye.